yeah, Takemoto-san and Nakaki-san, they were working Saturday as well. So I thought of just buying something for them as well. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Samruddhi, and today's video, guys, आज we are going to eat Japanese food for 24 hours. Only Japanese food. If you guys know me, you know that I don't do breakfast, but we are going to do breakfast, lunch and dinner as well. So तीनों होने वाला है. And because I want to show you guys everything from Japan, so what we are gonna do is breakfast में we are going to eat market, supermarket और कोम्बिनी वाला खाना. For lunch I'm going to take you to eat ramen. Oh my god, I'm really craving for ramen. So we are going to eat ramen today. And for dinner I thought of doing one fast food place like McD, Pizza Hut. Everything is in India as well, or many foreign countries. But I want to taste like what extra menus they have, because मैंने McD नहीं खाया इधर का. I've ate Pizza Hut I've had pizzas, but Burger King भी I've had, but I think इधर के McD में I only eat chicken, and इधर के McDs में mostly beef and pork होता है. But I think they have chicken burger as well, and I'm gonna try it कि कैसा होता है, and I'm really excited, you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys there. So for breakfast, इधर पास में एक कोम्बिनी है, कोम्बिनी सुपरमार्केट थिंग. सो हम उधर से ब्रेकफास्ट करने वाले हैं. So let's go and have our breakfast. So guys, today's outfit very simple.
Guys, I'm confused between cafe latte and creamy. I don't know the difference, but cafe latte is now, yeah, I don't know. Let's go with this one. This looks yum. Which one to have? Everything looks yum though. Wait, which one to take? I'm really confused. Custard cream, guys, this looks yum. Let's take this.
So I hope you guys आपने देखा होगा कि मैंने कैसे लिया. So I've got this. Oh my god, मैं थक गई. बहुत गर्मी है गाइज. ये जापान आई विल टेल यू जापान का वेदर. आज अगर सुबह इतनी अगर गर्मी होती है तो रात को ठंड लग जाती है. आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स द. लेट्स मूव. सो आई गॉट दिस ब्रेड एंड दिस कैफे लाटे समथिंग. आई डोंट नो, लुक्स यम, सो आई बॉट इट. एंड वो दो और मैंने ब्रेड जैसे चीज़ दिखाई थी. दैट इज़ फॉर माई co-workers. I mean, yeah, so they were working today as well. And I mean, I really get inspiration for these people, guys. मतलब इतना hard working these people are, right? So yeah, Takemoto-san and Nakaki-san, they were working Saturday as well. So I thought of just buying something for them as well. So yeah, I bought that bread thing. That's yum as well. So yes, मैंने प्राइस नहीं बताया, राइट? सो oh my god, the bread is for 171, which is for, oh, this is for 180 yen, क्योंकि तो लिखा नहीं. I know 180 yen is around.
बीच में, guys, there is cream. Yeah, custard. So custard cream is inside. Let's test this. Looks yum. Itadakimasu. Guys, I'm in heaven.
I'll tell. Guys, मस्का पाव is जो उसके अंदर क्रीम वाला होता है ना. दिस इज सिमिलर टू दैट, नॉट एग्जैक्टली सेम बट सिमिलर टू दैट, एंड दिस इज यम एज वेल. विल हैव द कॉफी. दिस इज मिक्स ऑफ कॉफी एंड टी, like cold coffee, but this is not thick at all. This is like पानी वाला कॉफी. I don't know.
チにしようかな。あ、おじさんは。私これにします。あ、にします。辛くない。うちはどうしようかな。
Look at this, guys. Yum. So guys, हमने अभी शॉपिंग कर ली है. We have had ramen, as you guys see, but उधर photos ज़्यादा अलाउ नहीं थे, so I couldn't, click a lot of pictures. But Kaguchi-san is with me. So I was planning कि McD में जाते हैं and we can have that burger. But Kawaguchi-san said कि there is Moss burger and I think Moss is not in India. So we are planning to get that burger. Let's see how it goes. So कुछ तो ऐसा निहोम्पोई भी होना चाहिए. तो let's see. अगर उधर नहीं मिला कुछ मतलब chicken और fish, then we'll obviously head to where McDonald's. But let's see.
So guys, we have come to this drive-through, Moss Burger. So we are going by drive-through because हम parcel लेके जाने वाले हैं. Kawaguchi-san. Hi. So yes, देखते हैं कैसे होता है.
So they have the same burger, nuggets, onion rings. I think India don't have the onion rings, but Japan have. So I've ordered that, and for drink I'm gonna order melon soda. That's it. And burger, normal chicken burger I've ordered. एक ही था, दो ही थे, teriyaki and normal chicken. Teriyaki is sweet, so I don't want sweet burger. So I've ordered the spicy one, and that's it. We'll take you guys, we'll show you कैसा होता है. I'm really excited. Like first time I'm going to Japan's drive-through, and this Moss Burger fast food is only like Japan have because मैंने search किया ChatGPT पे and he said कि it is Japan's fast food train, right? So yeah.
チキンバーガーの、メロンソーダで、オニポテで、でチキンナゲットも追加で、バーベキューソースかマスター
バーベキュー
バーベキューソースで、はい、以上
以上で
以上で、
じゃあご注文商品の発表お願いします。
はい、
ビーバーガーセットのオニポテメロンソーダがお一つ、
はい、
みんなでがお一つ、バーベキューソースがお一つで大丈夫ですか？
大丈夫です。
ご注文会計が1250円でございます。
はい、
お車お気をつけまでください。
はい、
撮ってもいいかな。
顔映って
顔
なかった。
はい、顔がブラーにします。
シャンプーチャーズの250円でございます。
恥ずかしいこれ。
イーブンカードお持ちでしょうか？
あ、ないです。
じゃあこちらでお願いします。ございます。ございます。ございます。
ありがとうございます。I've come to Kawaguchi-san's. हम ये कर रहे हैं रिक्शा आलसी. 選んでください。カードを入れてください。いいですね. So guys, हम Kawaguchi-san के कार में गैस भर रहे हैं. She's showing me how to do it. Like खुद से कर सकते हैं भाई. How cool. カードをお取りください。怖い。びっくりしました。油種を選んでください。内容がよろしければ確認ボタンエンジンを停止し静電気除去シートに触れてから燃料油キャップを開け赤色のノズルで給油何これびっくりしました。
Guys, so I have came home, rested, and now it's time for dinner. It's already 7. I'll show you. So no, 7:30 actually. So अभी we are gonna burger और fries हम थोड़े गरम कर लेते हैं oven में और microwave में, and then we are gonna have it. So I'll show you. Let's go. इसमें रखते हैं. ये guys मैं थोड़ी लाइट के अपोजिट साइड हूँ, so I hope आपको दिख रहा है. So here are nuggets. I'm gonna put it as it is. Then we have the onion rings and burger, which I think I'm gonna open because you guys, I mean, look at my meat chip. I'm fumbling as well because I'm really tired right now. I've shooted a reel as well, which I'm gonna upload today. I don't know. It's quite, मतलब light गई थी. I was waiting for sunset and sunset ही नहीं हुआ. Wow. Japan का weather, guys, I've told you, it's unpredictable. मतलब, yeah. And sauce, yeah, I got mustard sauce. No, I've got barbecue sauce and yeah, that's it. We have the onion rings. Then nuggets and the sauce. Yep. And ramen, guys, I'm really sorry, but मैंने वो पूरा नहीं खाया because रामेन इज समथिंग, वो बहुत गाइस पोर्शन आपने देखा कितना होता है, लाइक आई कुडंट फिनिश इट बट या इतादाकिमास. Wait, what? We have French fries as well. Fries तो गलत हो ही नहीं सकते. Yum. There's one thing I've noticed about Japanese French fries. Salty नहीं होता है. I swear to God, there is no peri peri masala. There is no salt. मैं खुद का peri peri masala use करती हूँ. रुक जाओ, I have that. I've added the fries in this bag. Yeah. I added the fries and I have this peri peri masala. Thanks to my sister. उसने भेजा है. नहीं होता है गाइस, रुक जाओ. Now let's taste this. Spicy. Let's try nuggets. Buy nuggets. So I love nuggets. We'll have nugget. Yum. There's one thing guys I really don't like about Japan. Salt बहुत कम डालते हैं लोग, like salt ही नहीं होता है. You can see cabbage, a lot of cabbage and one patty. What the hell? चीज़ नहीं, कुछ नहीं, ये कुछ तो सॉस है. I don't know, I don't like my burger without cheese, but that's why I was going to McD, but then I thought कि नहीं, Japan का if we are going to eat Japanese food 24 hours, we have to eat Japanese food. And but I wanted to take fast food as I've told you guys earlier. So yeah, I've done everything, so you better like. Itadakimasu. This, I'm sorry, because very salty नहीं है. What the hell? Salt क्यों नहीं होता है guys? I'll add some BBQ. Wow. I'll add some BBQ sauce. I'll add some barbecue sauce. क्या चल क्या रहा है मेरा? Now let's see guys. Better. Oh my god. Guys, I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. And thank you so much to the people who are watching, who support me, and whatever I do, they do like, they comment. And I'm really grateful guys. Thank you so much for watching, and the people who have subscribed as well. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Do tell me what next videos you want me to make. And yeah, see you in the next one. Until then, keep smiling, stay positive. Bye bye. Mata nu.